Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to import a CSV file with coordinates into QGIS and convert it into a shapefile step by step from scratch. First, let's take a look at CSV file. Open CSV file. Your files should have a latitude and longitude. Longitude and latitude XY coordinates you can see, and ID and other attributes it's additional. Important thing to check, save the file in CSV delimited. Save file and CSV delimited. I already saved my file. This step is very important because most error happens here. So after that, go to QGIS and open QGIS. Now go to the top menu layer, add layer and add layer and add delimited text layer. Click on it and go to browser, search your file. Here is my file. Click on it and open it. X field automatically detect X and Y field automatically detect Y. One important thing you must be know, most beginners make mistake in latitude and longitude order. Always remember X is longitude and Y is latitude. Then select geometry EPCH 4326 WGS 1884 84. Then click on add, close. Once the layer is added, your point is appear on the map. You can see. If you don't see them, right click on your layer and zoom to layer. But our point layer is already appear on the map. So now let's convert this into a shapefile because this is a CSV file. Now we are going to convert CSV into shapefile. Right click on the layer, click on export, save feature as. Here you can see many formatted. We are interested in ESRI Shapefile. Click on ESRI Shapefile, select your location. So we are going to interested, sorry, I'm going to save Bhavanagar. Okay. Saving type is ESRI Shapefile. Save. Save. Save and CRS is same. Then okay. Your shapefile is now created. Go to folder and check. Your shapefile has CPG, DBF, PRG, QMBT, SHP, SHX. Make sure all these files stay in the same folder. And that's it. Your CSV file is imported and converted into shapefile. This is how you convert a CSV file with coordinates into a shapefile in QGIS. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any question or want tutorial on other GIS topic, let me know in the comment. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.